The projection of an object will depend on what dimension you see it. Let me explain. We have this parabolic shot. Now then, let's change the perspective. If we took the shot from only the y-axis, the ball only rises. On the other hand, if we took the shot from the x-axis, the ball changes its position. Now, if we put the x-axis and the y-axis on the same projection, we have a two-dimensional projection. Now then, once we already have explained those concepts, let's make an exercise. Here we have a plane flies at 70 meters per second, drops a supply box. What horizontal distance does the box travel before touching the ground, that is 340 meters down? We have the plane. That velocity is going to be 70 meters per second. We have on the y-axis is going to be 340 meters. What is the distance travel? Distance travel is going to be on the x-axis. To solve this problem, we have to have present our formulas. Let's try that. Y is going to be initial velocity of y plus 1/2 gravity per time squared. But why do we need this formula if we already got y? Well, the problem is, if we want to solve for x, we need the initial velocity of x multiplied by time. But we don't have time, so we need to substitute this formula for time. Now, let's do that. For this, we can use the general formula. First, let's write our things as a quadratic equation. Once we have our formula seen like this, we can use our general formula, minus b plus b. In this case, x is going to be t, time. Now let's do the process of this problem. X is going to be time, A is going to be 1/2 gravity, B is going to be initial velocity on y, and C is going to be minus y. Now we got time is going to be minus initial velocity on y, square root of initial velocity of y is square minus 4, 1/2 gravity times minus y, all this divided by 2, 1/2 gravity. Time is going to be minus initial velocity of y is going to be 0, because in the problem says that the plane flies at 70 meters per second. It's going straight, it's not going up or down, so it's an horizontal velocity. Even if we say that is negative y, you already got our value in negative because it's going down. Now that times minus y is going to be positive. And this gives us the time. It's going to be 8 seconds, 0.325 seconds. Now with that, we can solve for x, because we have everything we need. Let's use another column. X is going to be horizontal initial velocity, 70 meters per second, time. This is going to be 582.70 meters. This is the horizontal distance. If we break these two-dimensional problems, it's easier if we look it in one dimension and then to the other dimension and then put it together.